Data visualization tools have significantly evolved over time. Initially, these tools were basic charts and graphs, but today they have transformed into highly interactive dashboards that provide real-time, dynamic, and customizable data analysis experiences. These modern dashboards can process and display data in real time, and users can interact with the data presented in various ways, such as filtering, sorting, and drilling down into specific data sets. Dashboards can be customized to meet the specific needs of different users or departments within an organization, ensuring that relevant data is presented in the most effective manner. Furthermore, modern BI tools and dashboards can integrate with a wide range of data sources, including databases, cloud services, and even social media platforms. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are now being integrated into visualization tools, ushering in a new era of predictive analysis and automated insights. These technologies allow for trend forecasting, anomaly detection, automated insights through natural language generation, NLG, smart recommendations, real-time data analysis, interactive dashboards, user customization, efficient data exploration, and integration with other technologies such as IoT and big data. Modern tools like Tableau, Microsoft Power BI, and ClickSense are leading the way in leveraging AI and machine learning to enhance data exploration and visualization. They offer advanced capabilities for predictive analysis, automated insights, and interactive data exploration. Other notable examples include Google Data Studio, IBM Cognos Analytics, Cygence, ThoughtSpot, and Domo. These platforms demonstrate the diverse ways in which AI and machine learning are being utilized to enhance data visualization and analysis. Looking ahead, the field of data visualization is set to continue its rapid innovation. Emerging trends include augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR visualizations, mobile responsive designs, and the integration of natural language processing, and NLP. These advancements are enhancing how users interact with and understand data, making data more accessible and insights more actionable. Future considerations around ethics, privacy, and accessibility will become increasingly important to ensure that advancements in data visualization serve a broad and diverse user base without compromising personal data security. The future of data visualization tools is poised for transformative growth, driven by advancements in technology and evolving user expectations. The trends toward increased accessibility, deeper integration of artificial intelligence, AI, for generating smart insights, and the rise of personalized dashboards are expected to redefine how data is analyzed, interpreted, and acted upon. The field of data visualization also owes a lot to several key figures in its history. Pioneers like William Playfair, Florence Nightingale, John Snow, Charles Joseph Minard, Francis Galton, Herman Hollerith, and John Tukey made significant contributions to the field, laying the groundwork for the sophisticated data visualization techniques we use today. Their innovative work in representing data visually revolutionized the way information is communicated and understood, demonstrating the power of visual data analysis in solving real-world problems.